Good morning, you guys. Today is Friday and we are planning to have a beach day. It's kind of cold though. Yeah, I wanted to vlog today. I haven't vlogged in a little bit. Just kind of focusing on making some other video content for you guys. But I figured I'll vlog today. And what are we doing? Yeah, we're just hanging out. He's playing with his new toys that I got yesterday. You playing with your toys? Hi. Yeah, hi. Say hi, guys. Hi. Say, how are you? I hope you're having a good day. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Today we're actually gonna go to the beach, so I'm gonna start packing up some things that we need to bring with us in a little bit. Yes. My good friend Rue is coming to hang out with us at the beach. She's actually here from Norway to visit. Wanted to hang out with us before she leaves, and she's flying in from San Francisco. Mama. Yeah, mama. Say mama. We're meeting her at the beach, and that's gonna be exciting. We haven't seen Rue. This is such a great success. Absolutely like loving this, putting stuff in it and taking it out again and trying to get in there, and like, I don't know, he's just having so much fun. Yeah, you can sit in it. Oops. Oh my god. So here are my books. This is a Swedish parenting style whatever book. I don't even know how to translate this, but probably like responsive parenting or something like that. I was just like turning the pages and like looking for like some milestones or whatever, and like some development stages, and they have these beautiful photos. Opening it up, and I was like, what the heck? What is this? I literally thought it was my son on the actual photo. Both me and Jamal was like, oh my god, it looks like Leon. That's crazy. Don't you think that this looks like Leon? Like, let me know if you don't think so, because maybe it's just in my mind, but I think they look like literally twins. And so I snapped a photo and I sent it to my family back in Sweden, and they were like literally dying. They thought they looked so much alike. My mom was like, what is it? I don't get it. Oh, he started with puzzles, and I was like, Mom, that's not him. She was like, oh my god, I didn't even know it. What was so funny about it? And I was like, you really thought it was him? Are you stacking your books? You guys, organizing is like his biggest thing right now. He just loves organizing stuff. He actually likes cleaning up things right now. It's kind of a good stage to be in, I guess. And speaking about it, I have to start organizing my stuff. I'm super excited too, because my sister is coming to visit tomorrow, and she's never met Leon, and I'm so excited for them to finally meet. It's been more than a year and she still hasn't met him. We just haven't been able to figure it out. I can't even believe she's gonna be here tomorrow. It's like, it's just surreal to me. I cannot grasp that she will be here in 24 hours. 24 hours from now, I'm gonna get to hug my little sister, and she's gonna hug my son. It's ridiculous to think about it. I have to get some stuff down here, start packing for the beach, and let's get going. Sunscreen. You gonna put it in the bag? Put it in the bag? Uh-oh. So we made it to the beach finally, and I'm probably not gonna vlog that much. I'll take some footage, but I want to spend my time with my friend because I haven't seen her in so long. It's super exciting to finally see her for a little bit before she goes back to Scandinavia. god. That's crazy. I've never felt so popular in my life. We're about to go in and eat some sushi with Rue and my husband, and Leon is asleep in the car, so I'm just standing here outside the restaurant waiting for him to kind of get his sleep in, and then we're gonna head in there and have some sushi. I think I have like too much footage, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a little like if you like it. Turn on the notifications by hitting that little bell, because otherwise my videos are gonna get lost in all those videos that are out there. So thanks for watching this vlog. It was fun to vlog again, and I will see you guys in my next video.